Okay, got a little bit of a repair job, and this video is going to be just a quick unboxing of an RX 460. Since I've actually used a couple of these in some repair builds already, this is actually going into a repair build that is replacing an RX 250 actually. So this is the Asus model of this, and it's let me just open it up real quick. It's the overclocked edition. So 2 gigs of GDDR5, and it's the one with the white shroud. So a lot of the new Asus graphics cards are actually, you know, the lower or mid-range ones are coming with this white shroud, and I'm not sure exactly why they decided to go with that. It looks really nice and cool. But the problem is it just doesn't really match a lot of the other manufacturer motherboards out there. Maybe you had a white case, or you just like white, or you have a black and white scheme, something like that. Otherwise, it kind of looks out of place in a lot of computers. You know, if you don't have a side panel where you can see it, it's no big deal either. But here we go. Pop it open, and it's nice that they actually have this glued on to protect the graphics card. I would say a small to medium-sized graphics card. Pretty decent performance for the price too. Basically retailing for $100, and it's a really good deal. But a really nice dual fan, 92mm fan, and it looks like it's loose. Asus. But it looks like this might just be a clamp deal. Or one of the, no matter what, it is a live unboxing, so that's what they get, you know. I will double check the connector on this to see where it might be slipping, but otherwise, if this doesn't work, then we're just going to return it and grab a different one. But I've already used a few of these, so this will be the third card we'll be using, and it's the first time I've seen that the actual case here is loose. So, well, that's the quick unboxing. Asus, sorry, you better keep an eye on your quality control. Okay, I just got off the phone with Asus actually, and I told them about the shaky cover. Apparently in this model, I just didn't notice it before in the other ones because it was just a little bit more snug. This model is actually built with no screws. So there's no screws holding on to the shroud that houses the fan assembly here. So in this particular model, it's just a huge heat sink and with clips. And I'm going to try to get as close as I can. If you can see it, let me get a tool so you can see where that is. So in this particular graphics card, it is held. This card, the shroud, is held together with clips. As you can see, there's a clip here. There's a clip on top here that I'm pointing to. On the back of the card, it's going to be basically right here, if you can see that. And on this side, the clip is right there, if you can see where I'm pointing. And that's it. So apparently, Asus basically told me that they assure me that even if the card were to vibrate, with fans vibrating, that there are foam pads underneath here that will absorb any kind of noise or shock or anything like that. And they assure me that this is perfectly fine. And so I just never noticed it before. I didn't, maybe I didn't manhandle it enough before in our previous other builds, but it's something that I just found out too. And so I guess you do get what you pay for, but seeing how huge the heatsink is, this is a rather large heatsink actually, and it's a CNC machine with a lot of fins, so there's a lot of surface area, and it's run very coolly before too. And so when I get the computer up and built, I'll do a test burn with Univision's Valley benchmark, and we'll get some temperature readings off this so you folks can see it. But yeah, something new I found out right there. So, well, this is going to get, again, I might post this up as a separate video on the Asus 460, since I learned of this little build quirk right here. Actually, we're supposed to go with another full video build, and I'll link that when I'm done with this video. Thanks. Any questions or comments, please post them at the bottom of the video.